Dwi wedi bod digon lwcus I gael cyfarfod llwyth o celebs flwyddyn yma, ond os ni'n gorfod dewis un person arall yn y byd I gael cyfarfod... Jim Carrey! Pan o'n i'n ysgol uwchradd, o'n i'n arfer bod yn eitha adnabyddus am ddynwared pobl gwahanol a bob amser chwarae, sa pawb yn dod ata fi eisiau clywed nhw. Miss Jim, I fod yn dda, mae'n rhaid I chi gwrandwch, bihafiwch. Miss Saesneg, today the subject is going to be something along the lines of reading books. Ac wrth gwrs, ydy ni hun, Jim Carrey. It's time to P-A-R-T. Why? Because I gotta. Mae'r ffilm wedi ei selio ar lyfr gan Danny Wallace, comediwr o Brydain, a stori'r llyfr ydy mae o'n penderfynu deud yes I bob dim am flwyddyn gyfa a mae o'n newid I fywyd o yn gyfan gwbl. A dyna hefyd ydy stori'r ffilm. Dydwch yes! Neu yn Gymraeg, do, oes, yndw, iawn, ia. Fyswn I gallu mynd ymlaen. Sa fo'n gweithio yn Gymraeg nosa? Mae Jim yn adnabyddus am I wynebau gwirion gwahanol. Dwi eisiau gwybod beth mae'n meddwl o ngwyneb diweddara I. Da chi'n barod? Gwyneb y pysgodyn fflat. Yes! 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 Congratulations on the book. I haven't quite finished it. I'm halfway through.
I die in the end.
Oh,
I don't die.
Thanks for ruining it. There's no point now.
That'd be terrible if I did.
It's amazing and it's struck a chord with me because I'm 25. I stay in a lot. I say no to a lot of boring people, a lot of things. Are you scared though the effect the whole yes thing is going to have on the world?
The Yes Manifesto.
Yeah, you're going to cause
I think we have to embrace
it.
But I think I've done it so you don't have to, right? So when you get to the end, I don't want to spoil it for you, but you'll know that you don't say yes to everything. You can just say yes more. And so you can say yes to a few of those really dull parties with your very boring friends. And something amazing might happen, because you don't know who you could meet, or where you could end up, or what could happen. So best of luck with your yes adventures.
Thank you.
Your yes-capades.
Yes, I like that.
Copyright.
How does it feel, though, to have it turned into a film? Jim Carrey, are you a fan of his anyway? Is it surreal?
That's all right.
Is that?
It's great. It's amazing. You know, the fact that just by saying yes to a few things as well and writing about it, I've ended up on Leicester Square with Jim Carrey just over there. You know, it's a very odd thing, but quite a wonderful one as well.
You did it.
I did it.
The
yes
man did it.
The yes man.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful evening.
Cheers.
Thanks. Wel, wedi dweud bod ni'n gorfod rhannu fo, felly dwi'n trio canolbwyntio ar sbio ar Jim achos dwi eisiau cael fewn gynta fel bod o'n siarad efo ni. Felly dwi'n canolbwyntio, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n dod. Dwi'n nervous! Jim Carrey! Alrighty then! Hi! Jim, it's my pleasure to meet you! Whoa. Talk to me. Yes. Say yes, you're the yes man.
Hey.
Yes, you came to me.
Yes, I did.
Is this film going to change the way everyone sees the world and the way everyone behaves?
You know what? I thought about it last night. I was at dinner with somebody, and you know, I've heard from a few people that they kind of committed to some things that they would never have after they saw the movie, and I thought, wouldn't that be weird if actually, like, you know, everybody who saw the movie around the world actually just said yes to a few more things? Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to quantify the effect that has on the Earth? Could we knock this ball off its axis?
I think we're going to do it.
You know? Could we move the tectonic plates?
I said we. I'm not going to play. Well, I'm going to say yes, Mo.
Yes, you have a very large part in it.
Yes!
If you edit this right.
And I've been a huge fan of yours since The Mask. You always bring something so unique to your different roles with your facial expressions, your natural comedy skills. And I've prepared a facial expression, especially for you, for tonight.
What is
it? It's called Pysgodyn Flat. which is Welsh for the flat fish.
Okay.
It goes like this.
Go. Okay. Wow. Oh, that is amazing.
Can you do it?
I am so attracted to you right now.
Yes?
Yeah.
You
Boy,
say yes.
You know
Try
how
it,
to
try
get a date.
Can you bring that to your next door, maybe?
Keep the fish tank clean. That's great.
Can we just borrow you for 2 seconds? Thank you. Sorry, on camera broke earlier. Stay on.
Yes! Yes! Yes!